Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, this is a brief story or brief feedback that I posted on what is this platform? On TikTok regarding the whole Somizi Palesa Bahumi situation. I was attacked for this response, but I thought I should share it with you so that you can join everybody in attacking me and Sibonisane. Hope you enjoy the video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So guys, I don't know if I'm wrong, but does it look like everybody who inserted themselves in the Dominic Iwe Skoteni drama by Face the Hit? Is it only me? Or everybody that inserted themselves in that beef is literally going at this moment? But nonetheless, asikho kulapho. Sikulento kaPalesa, uBahumi noSomizi, ne? I did not watch the interview on Owami's channel. I tried, but it was like, for me, the interview is like 5 hours. Like, yo, didere. It's a dinch. Ka bona ba no ngasloke. Ke tla dikra kae? Ke tla dikra mo TikTok. Ka di snippets. Right? I did not post the snippets on my TikTok because it's a story that I'm asking fees, ne? But you guys have seen the story. You guys understand what's happening. You guys understand why this had to happen or why Upalesa had to do this, right? And you guys understand why it had to be 3 parts, which is more than an hour each. I think it's only one that's 50 minutes. Still didn't watch. Fine. That's not the problem. Bahumi's one looked like a girl is lukewarm. She does not know which side to choose. I tried also watching that one, but I got the snippets here on TikTok. What are your thoughts on this whole matter? Like, bothata bo thomile kae pila isisusa ke eng, ne? But the question that I want to ask, which I know Guti, most of you all are going to insult me, bazalwana ke lena le pelo tse nyane. Yo lena le pelo tse nyane shem. Nroheng ona taba. Is it true that women don't forgive? Is it true that women don't forgive? One. Is it true that women would always want to be seen as victims in most situations? Is it true that a woman would use every and any opportunity to get empathy, i.e. Palesa in this case? Because Somizi has done a lot according to the TV reality show that Usomizi had. Palesa was also attesting. The one thing that Usomizi did that was super good, that he did not have to do. Remember Somizi gay. No hasa khotla Palesa. So meaning gore na o sa tlhokagala gore I read this act. But Usomizi went to an extra mile and ensured that he contributed to Palesa's face being reconstructed and to where it is right now, without asking for a single penny back, without expecting anything, by just being there as a shoulder to cry on. Shouldn't that erase, or not erase necessarily, but shouldn't that also hold weight and perhaps make bargaining, sleeping bygones lie, what lie. Marelebele, forget the former things, man. Also considering like where in which context do we forget the former things? I don't know, guys. But yeah, I'm with Somizi on this one. Can I please be with Somizi on this one, Bazalwane? Because wow. I get Mara. Ke bona ka re kaofela ba leng gore ba decide le go tetsentsha ka mogara situation ya Dominic Iwe and Skoteni. Ziyakhala.